Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence and surface mount technology are reshaping the world of advanced manufacturing? Let's dive into this revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a groundbreaking technology that empowers machines to mimic human intelligence. It's like giving the machines a mind of their own, enabling them to learn, adapt, and even make decisions. On the other hand, we have surface mount technology, or SMT. This method involves mounting components directly onto the surface of printed circuit boards. It's like playing a high-tech game of Tetris, where each piece precisely fits onto the board, creating a compact and efficient design. Now, imagine the power of AI and SMT combined. These technologies are democratizing advanced manufacturing, making it accessible to all. It's no longer just about big corporations with deep pockets. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are transforming the manufacturing landscape, making it more efficient and inclusive. But what makes AI so influential in the world of manufacturing? Well, AI's capabilities are vast and multifaceted. It's like a Swiss Army knife for data analysis, predictive maintenance, and quality control. AI can sift through heaps of data in a blink, identifying patterns and making predictions that would take a human analyst weeks, if not months, to discern. It's like having a crystal ball, enabling manufacturers to foresee machine breakdowns before they occur. This predictive maintenance can significantly reduce downtime and save on repair costs. Moreover, AI excels in ensuring quality control. It can quickly identify defects and inconsistencies, ensuring that only top-notch products leave the production line. This not only enhances product quality, but also boosts customer satisfaction. Now, here's the kicker. AI isn't a luxury reserved for giant corporations anymore. It's becoming increasingly accessible to small and medium-sized enterprises, leveling the playing field in the manufacturing industry. AI is truly a game changer, equipping manufacturers with the tools they need to stay competitive. And what about surface mount technology? How is it democratized?